Hi everyone, this is Wafalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. We have already discussed the 19 kinds of verb and today we will discuss the 20th kind of irregular verbs. What are irregular verbs? Those verbs whose first, second and third forms are same and sometimes different. Means the first, second and first form are same and sometimes different. First is different from the second is different from the third. And sometimes first and second form are same, the third form is different, and in the same way sometimes first form and third form are same, the second is different, and in the same way first is different from the second and third are called irregular verbs. So formation of irregular verbs itself, the word says that not in a regular way. Sometimes all are same, sometimes all are different, sometimes first is same with the second and third is changed, sometimes first and third are same, the second is changed, and sometimes first and second are same, the third is changed, or called the irregular verb. Irregular verbs were formed in a standard way, they are formed in a special way. Special way means they have got the specific rules where they are not in a regular way but irregular. So the first rule, verbs having same form, like we say let, let, cost, 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 cut, 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 it, it, and in the same way art. These are the verbs having first, second and third form same. And rule number second, verbs having different form. First is second changed from the second is changed from the third. They all are changed from one another. Like we say awake, awoke, awoken, begin, began, begun, bite, bit, bitten, break, broke, broken, choose, chose, chosen. And rule number three, verbs having first and second form same, but the third form different. Like beat, beat, third form is beaten. First and second are same, the third is changed. If you have got some more verbs like this, write them on the comment box and share it with. Rule number four, verbs having first and third form same, but the second form different. Like become, became, become. The first and the third are same, but the second is different. Come, came, come, run, ran, run. And verbs having first form different and second and third form same. We say bring, brought, brought, catch, caught, caught, dig, dug, dug, feel, felt, felt, ang, ung are called irregular. So hope the lecture about irregular verb is clear to you. For more videos like this, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.